days.
Ina zai 3.
3.
Malanga 3.
I 2.
I 2.
Why Jesus went to Ashana 2 days and 2 days?
Why would Jesus stay 2 days in the grave?
I'm saying as was
I'm just asking. I'm just asking.
Why don't we do Good Friday? Ashana 2 days and 2 days.
Why our Jesus is staying 2 days in the grave?
Friday.
He died on Friday.
Saturday you say 2 days.
Saturday is in the grave.
How I got paid, but I must do Sunday.
If we say Sunday has resurrected, he arose quickly, too soon, before the day ends.
Let's 3.
The third day ends. Because if you're fasting for 3 days, when you start on Friday, you start on Friday. And your fasting starts at what time? At what time? Let's say it starts at 12. Let's say 12. Let's count. You're fasting 3 days. You're starting on Friday, fasting at 12. Right? Right, brother? And then following days come. Right, brother?
Friday.
Saturday, and since you start on Friday. On 12. At 12. Right? 12 comes.
12. See how it's cut.
Then time continue.
Yeah. English and
Amen. And it's 12. Today midnight. And when 12 hits, and then Saturday comes. Saturday at 12. Which day is that?
Yeah.
When you count the hours, how many hours is that?
24 hours.
That's 24 hours, right? That's the first day. And then you fast again. Saturday. And then the whole day until 12 again. Until 12 what time? Sunday. Which day is that? That's the second day. And then you continue fasting. Because that's 2 days. That's end of 2 days. That's 48 hours. And then you fast again. You fast on Monday. That when your fasting ends at, it will end at 12. Not on Sunday. But 12 Monday.
And it's always changes cards.
Time also you ended at.
You were still with Monday.
Will it be Monday? When time changes.
12.
When it's 12 midnight. When time change. Will date change? Will it still be Monday? Will it still be Monday? I want to ask. Is it Monday? It won't be Monday. It will be Tuesday. Why is that? Because the days have been completed. 3 days have been completed. When you're finished, you fast on Saturday. Or you complete your fasting on Sunday. That is not 3 days. You completed 2 days. Why is it so? You spend 48 hours and you broke. Because you were not supposed to break on Sunday night. You must arrive on the third day and break. Because on Tuesday, you must break your fasting on Tuesday midnight, not on Monday. But on Tuesday, because 3 days will be complete, I want to ask, brethren, when Jesus died, when did he die? Wake up, my one. Because when Jesus sleeps, when Jesus died, did Jesus die on Friday? If he died on Friday, which day, which time did he die? Because if he died on Friday, what time did Jesus die? Since you studied the scripture, you're studying the Bible, you must know when he died. There's a time in the Bible that shows that when Jesus died, he died at what time? What time did he die? Please remind me, prophetess.
Afternoon.
It was afternoon.
You go afternoon.
It was afternoon.
If celebrating Good Friday,
If I say we're celebrating Good
you
Friday,
should just move afternoon.
Jesus died on in the afternoon.
Over Friday afternoon.
He died on Friday in the afternoon.
How is it good?
This is good.
How is it good?
That's what we say is good.
How is it good, Jay?
That's what we say is Good Friday.
Yes, man. And it's on Friday.
Friday.
Should do the Friday.
He died on Friday.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Sunday.
Sunday.
I go for you afternoon.
Afternoon hasn't arrived.
Should do Good Friday.
Since Good Friday,
It's 2 days.
it's 2 days.
In how many nights?
And how many nights?
Already 3 days.
It's 3 days.
In how many nights?
And how many nights?
Good man now.
Speak to me.
In how many nights?
Also with that.
I could man myself.
Speak, brethren.
And you should be afternoon.
He died on the afternoon.
Friday.
On Friday.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Sunday.
Sunday.
Next day.
In the morning.
Forget.
He rose.
Can you spend them up? We should do spend it for 8 hours, my child.
Did he spend 48
We
hours?
spend it 72 hours, my
Did he
child.
spend 72 hours?
Should I spend it 72 hours?
He didn't spend 72 hours.
Should I say 3 days?
So it's not 3 days.
It's only 2 days.
Malangay 2.
3 days.
Malangay 2.
And 2 nights.
Malangay 3.
Should
That's so much.
I ufaka Jesu?
The death of Jesus is not complete.
Shusha wavuka.
He arose quickly.
Akusulo Jesu simkhonza.
This is not the Jesus we are serving.
Ngibona ukuthi
Let me repeat this.
ngithuka kusuke Jesu.
This is not the Jesus we are serving.
Ngoba lo wethu
Because our Jesus,
wahlala in the tomb
he dwelt in the tomb.
3 full days,
Amalanga awu-3.
3 full nights.
Unobusuku obu-3.
Bese wavuka ekuseni.
Wavukisa.
Wavuka seyiphelele 3
Now
days.
rose when the 3 days is complete.
The 3 nights.
And the 3 nights is complete.
Thina sicelebrate good.
That's why you don't celebrate good.
Siyayibonga igood.
With them, we are grateful for good.
Ngoba isinikeza ithuba
Because it gives us an opportunity
lokucelebrate.
to celebrate.
But thina wethu Jesu
But our Jesus
azange wafa Friday.
did not die on Friday.
Awu, ngisho futhi.
May I repeat this?
Ngisho futhi.
May I repeat this?
Phinde ngisho futhi.
May I repeat this?
Owethu Jesu
Our Jesus
lo simkhonzayo
that we are serving
azange wafa
did not die
Friday.
on Friday.
Ngoba if ufe Friday,
Because if he died on Friday,
kusho ukuthi usheshe wavuka.
he arose too soon.
Asikwazi ukumkhonza lo.
We cannot worship that
Ngoba
Jesus
simazi.
because we don't know him.
Akusuye lo waseBhayibhelini.
That's not the one in the scripture
Lo thina simaziyo.
that we are serving.
Bafowethu.
My brothers,
Kanti ama-date mawaphuma futhi.
when those days are come again,
Iyafana yini i-date ye-Good Friday?
is it always the same date?
Cela umbuze emakhe.
Just ask your neighbor.
Nasi ngiyafundisa bafowethu.
I'm just teaching.
Awubuze iyafana yini ama-date ye-Good Friday?
And the Good Friday day is the same.
Last year.
Last year,
Bengekade.
when was it?
Ngakuthi bengeyi-3.
It was somewhere around 3.
Bese last year.
The year before that,
Iza ngeyi-7.
it was on the 7th.
Next year.
The following year,
Iba ngeyi-2.
it's on the 2nd.
Next year.
The next year,
Iphinde ichange
it
futhi.
will change again.
Ibe ngeyi-5.
It's on the 5th.
Usho ukuthi wena usuku laJesu
Are you saying the day of Jesus
iyachange every time.
keeps changing every time?
Usho ukuthi uJesu this year
Are you saying Jesus this year,
wafa ngeyi-7.
he died on the 7th?
Bese next year uJesu
The next year,
uphinde change nge-Good Friday.
he's changing his days of death,
Simchange i-date yakhe.
continually changing his dates,
Simphikise.
and then we deny him.
Sithi no Jesu.
And we say, no, Jesus,
Ngathi ufeka nini?
you died too many
Lento
times.
yenza iyasikaka.
The thing you're doing is confusing us.
This year
Because this year,
ufa ngeyi-2.
you died on the 2nd.
Next year
The next year,
ufa
you're
ngeyi-7.
dying on the 7th.
Next
The
year
following year,
ufa
you're
ngeyi-14.
dying on the 14th.
Uyasiconfuse
You're
Jesu.
confusing us.
Senze njani?
What should we do
Mase nje.
when it's like this?
Akusuye.
It's not Him.
Akusuye tu.
That's not Him.
Lo simkhonzayo.
That's not our Jesus.
Ayitshela umakhelwane.
Tell your neighbor,
Akusuye.
it's not our
Lo
Jesus.
simkhonzayo.
It's not the one we are serving.
Hey. Ngoba baningi.
Because there are many
Oh, Jesu.
Jesuses.
Ayizosho bafowethu.
I'm gonna say this.
Abaningi.
That there are many
Oh, Jesu.
Jesuses.
Ungayitsheli ukuthi umuntu
Don't tell yourself
angabi nagqoka isuku
when somebody stands wearing a suit
athi Jesu.
that Jesus, that they're saying it's Christ.
bathi ujesu
When we say Jesus is Lord,
bese uthi lo jesu ekhuluma
and
ngayo
everything that Jesus is talking about
lo jesu
is the Jesus
esifunda ngaye
that we are reading about in the Bible.
ingakusho yena
He's the one who said,
ujesu
Jesus,
ukuthi
that
baningi
the man
ujesu abazayo
Jesus will come,
bazodukisa abaningi
will deceive many
ngegama lami
in my name.
ngoba ujesu
Because Jesus,
baningi
there are many of them.
izolo maprofethi
Yesterday, prophet,
lapho ngikhona
where I was going,
ayibonile
I saw it.
ukuthi noma singakhuluma into eyi-one
Or even if we speak the same thing,
noma singakhuluma ngephimbo elilodwa
we can speak the same voice
simemeze ujesu ngephimbo elilodwa
and scream to Jesus with the same
sithi
voice
ujesu uyasindisa
and say Jesus saves
sithi ujesu uyaphilisa
and say Jesus heals
sithi ujesu uyathethelisa
and say Jesus forgives sin.
kodwa ujesu
But Jesus,
wabo
their Jesus,
awufani nojesu
is
wabo
not the same as my Jesus.
ujesu wabo
Their Jesus,
awungene kibo
if you don't enter into it,
kodwa bathethe
they do not change.
baqhubeke bashumayele
They continue preaching.
bashumayele
They preach.
kodwa babashumayele
But when they are preaching,
uyaqhubeka
they are continuing
nalale
and
namantombazana
sleep with girls.
kuyatshengisa
It shows
nojesu wabo
that their Jesus
akusuye
is
nojesu
not the same Jesus
owasebhayibhelini
that is in the Bible.
ujesu wabo
Their Jesus
unojesu
is the Jesus
wasesogweni
that belongs in hell.
ngoba baningi
Because the man who
abojesu
Jesus is,
kodwa omunye
that is one who
ujesu
Jesus who is not who is hell on the cross
sahlala
of shame. Amen.
abathizo
Yesterday
bashumayele
they were preaching.
bazithula mlalele
I was listening
ukuthi hayi bashumayele
that these guys they preach.
bashumayele
These guys are preaching.
bashumayela
They are preaching.
ngathi bangayibona le video
I wish you could see the video.
bayashumayela
That they are preaching.
kodwa ukushumayeleni kwabo
But in their preaching,
umntwana ongaphakathi
the person in me,
uyabakhafula
it pulls them out.
yebo bona bayakhuluma
Yes, they're speaking.
bona bathi jesu
Yes, they're saying truth.
bona bathi ngwengwele
Yes, they're saying Holy
bona
Spirit.
bathola ivangeli
Yes, they're saying I'm the God.
kodwa umntwana kithi
But the witness in me
uyana
is saying no.
no
No.
wabasuye
This is not the one
abasekhaya
who's from home.
abasekhaya
The one from heaven.
uyabezwa
We can see them.
noma bakhuluma
Even when they're speaking.
abasekhaya
Those who are from home.
bayezwakala
Then you can see them.
abathi ujesu
When they say Jesus.
abathi ujesu
When they say Jesus.
jesu
Jesus.
uyeza kibo yenzeka
It happens.
futhi ukhulume
And when they're speaking
negama lomuntu
with someone's name in his absence,
yenzeka
it happens
ukuthi sikhulume
that we speak about
ngegama lomuntu
someone
engekho
in his absence.
yenzeka ukuthi ngikhulume ngothusa
It happens that I can speak about Tusu
uthusa ekhaya kibo
when Tusu is at his home,
ngifike ngime nasontweni
but I can be here and speak
yabazalwane
and tell you
uthuso
that Tusu
uthola imoto
got a car.
ngikhuluma ngothuso
I'm talking about Tusu.
kodwa uthuso yena
When Tusu
engekho
is not here,
so simezwa ngani
how will they feel?
simezwa ngani
How will you know?
yes simezwa ngani
How will you know?
laba
Those
abangasibasekhaya
who are not from home,
bayakwazi ukukhuluma
they know how to speak
bathi jesu
and say Jesus
babemeza ujesu
and speak about
bathi
Jesus
ujesu ujesu
and say Jesus in their preach
ujesu so
and Jesus in their
bathi
temple.
ujesu yena
But Jesus is
uyaqhubeka
and
uyaqhubeka
Jesus continues
afane njengothuso
and Peter so
ahlale ekameleni
and God in his home
angesi la
and not come here
ngimfonela uthuso
and don't call Tuso
uthuso
and say Tuso,
waza lapha
come here
uthuso
and Tuso
angesi
and not come.
wayengesi
Why does it come with Tuso? Because Tuso,
angasi
he doesn't know me
abangamazi
and I don't know him.
abangamazi
That's why, even if I don't know him,
imbizi
when I call him,
imbizi
when I call him,
angesi
he will not come.
wayengesi
Why is he not coming? Because Tuso,
angasi
we repeat it with them. Jesus. But others, they say Jesus. And Jesus is holy. And when they say Jesus, and Jesus knew. And when they say Jesus, Jesus doesn't choose. Jesus. Why is it so? Because they follow who? Jesus. They follow Jesus. But who? Jesus. When you say Jesus, when you say Jesus, you preach him. Jesus come. And you walk with us. And peace with us. And spirit with us. And command with us. Why is it so? Jesus. Because the other Jesus, the real Jesus, when I arrived and not knowing him, without